Hi, I'm Amanda Litster. I'm currently living in Rexburg, Idaho, and attending BYU Idaho here. I'm studying elementary education. I have some experience in education. I worked at a preschool for about 6 or 7 months and was with a bunch of different age groups. I also tutored in elementary schools with third graders as well as first graders, and I worked in the English Conversation Lab up here at BYU Idaho and taught people some English. And I will be reading the first part of this book, The Monster at the End of This Book, starring lovable furry old Grover. What did that say? On the first page, what did that say? Did that say there will be a monster at the end of this book? It did? Oh, I am so scared of monsters. Shh. Listen, I have an idea. If you do not turn any pages, we will never get to the end of this book. And that is good, because there is a monster at the end of this book. So please do not turn the page. You turned another page! Maybe you do not understand. You see, turning pages will bring us to the end of this book. And there is a monster at the end of this book. But this will stop you from turning pages. See, I'm tying the pages together so you cannot. You turned another page. You do not know what you are doing to me. Now, stop turning pages. And the book goes on to where we keep turning pages, and Grover keeps trying to stop us. It turns out he's actually the monster at the end of the book, so he gets all embarrassed. And it's a really cute story, and kids really love it.